Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ever look in the mirror and feel your skin looks dull no matter how many products you use? Wonder why your hair never looks as healthy as salon day? Your skincare doesn't stop at your face, your body deserves love too. In today's video I am going to share you about face care, body care and hair care. By following these routines you can achieve your desired look. So let's get started. First we'll talk about skincare. Hydrate inside and out. Drink plenty of water, at least 2 to 3 liters a day. Use a hydrating moisturizer or serum with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. 2. Exfoliate regularly, but gently. Remove dead skin cells 1 to 3 times a week. Choose a gentle chemical exfoliant, like AHAs/BHAs, over harsh scrubs to avoid micro tears. 3. Double cleanse at night. Use an oil-based cleanser first to remove makeup/SPF. Follow with a gentle foaming or cream cleanser to clean skin without stripping. 4. Protect with sunscreen daily. SPF 30 or higher every single day, even when it's cloudy or indoors. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outside. 5. Incorporate vitamin C. Brightens skin and fades dark spots. Look for L-ascorbic acid, 10 to 20%, in the morning routine under SPF. 6. Eat skin-friendly foods. Prioritize foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3s, and vitamins A, C, and E. Examples: berries, avocados, nuts, leafy greens, and fatty fish. 7. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night to allow skin to repair and regenerate. Try a silk pillowcase to reduce friction and moisture loss. 8. Use facial oils, if suitable for your skin. Add glow with oils like rosehip, marula, or jojoba. Can be used under makeup or as the last step in your nighttime routine. 9. Manage stress. High cortisol can cause breakouts and dullness. Try breathing exercises, walks, journaling, or meditation. 10. Stay consistent. Radiant skin takes time and consistent skincare habits. Avoid switching products too often, give each 4 to 6 weeks before judging results. Body care. 1. Add daily movement, even if it's small. Walk at least 7,000 to 10,000 steps/day. Take stairs, stretch during breaks, bike, dance, stay active beyond workouts. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water/day. Water boosts metabolism and helps control hunger. Start your day with a full glass of water before coffee or food. 3. Get enough sleep. 7 to 9 hours. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones, ghrelin, and lower satiety hormones, leptin. Aim for a consistent bedtime and nighttime routine. 4. Reduce liquid calories. Avoid sugary drinks, soda, sweetened teas, lattes, juices. Choose water, black coffee, herbal tea, or unsweetened drinks instead. 5. Fiber-rich foods. Fiber keeps you full, improves digestion, and helps control blood sugar. Great sources include oats, lentils, chia seeds, and veggies. 6. Use healthy cooking methods. Bake, grill, steam, or air fry instead of deep frying. These methods reduce extra fat without sacrificing flavor. 7. Reduce screen time while eating. Eating while watching TV or scrolling leads to overeating because you're distracted and not paying attention to fullness cues. 8. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Good sleep helps control hunger and keeps your energy high. 9. Avoid eating late at night. Try to finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed. Late snacking often adds extra, unnecessary calories. 10. Be consistent. Not perfect. You don't have to be perfect every day. Stick with it, don't give up, and enjoy small wins. Hair care. Tip number 1: wash and cleanse. Don't overwash. 2 to 3 times a week is enough for most people. Daily washing can strip natural oils. Choose the right shampoo for your scalp, hydrating for dry, clarifying for oily, gentle/sulfate-free for sensitive. Double cleanse occasionally. First wash removes dirt/oil, second actually cleans scalp. Tip number 2: Scalp care. Massage your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes when shampooing or with oil, boosts blood flow plus hair growth. Keep scalp clean, build up clogs follicles and weakens hair. Try aloe vera gel or tea tree oil if you deal with dandruff/itchiness. Tip number 3: Conditioning and moisture. Always condition mid-length to ends, never the roots. Use a deep conditioning mask 1 to 2 times a week. Try leave-in conditioner or hair serum to lock in shine and smooth frizz. Tip number 4: Styling and protection. Minimize heat, straighteners, curlers, blow dryers. If you must, use a heat protectant spray. Avoid tight hairstyles daily, they cause breakage and hair fall. Silk pillowcases and scrunchies reduce friction and frizz. Tip number 5: Lifestyle for healthy hair. Eat hair foods, nuts, eggs, spinach, berries, fish, biotin, omega-3, iron, protein. Stay hydrated, dry scalp equals weak hair. Reduce stress, stress can literally trigger hair fall. Tip number 6: Natural care. Oil your hair, coconut, argan, jojoba, or castor oil, once a week. Rice water rinse, strengthens and adds shine. Onion juice, if you can handle the smell, boosts growth. I hope you find this video helpful in your glow-up journey. Comment down your favorite step below in comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.